Nicehash review. Easy steps to start mining crypto. I'm going to tell you about Nicehash and how to start mining crypto the easy way. Nicehash is one of the simplest platforms for beginners who want to try crypto mining. Instead of choosing which coin to mine, Nicehash automatically picks the most profitable one for you. To get started, just go to nicehash.com and create a free account. Then download the Nicehash miner software. It works best if you have a decent GPU or CPU. After installing, open the app and log in using your Nicehash wallet address. Once that's done, just click Start Mining and the software will do everything for you in the background. Now, is Nicehash legit? Yes, it's been around since 2014 and trusted by many miners around the world. But make sure to verify your account properly and be aware of fees and payout settings. If you're a beginner, Nicehash is one of the easiest ways to mine crypto without needing advanced knowledge or expensive setups.